All right, Mama, so in this video, I want to go over foam rolling. You can get a pretty decent price foam roller at your local sporting goods store. Sometimes they have it at places like Walmart and even places like TJ Maxx, and I think that's where I got mine, or Marshalls or somewhere like that. That's where I tell my physical therapy clients that they can get there. So what we're just going to show you is just a couple of exercises that you can do using the foam roller, just because when it comes to your soft tissue and even with diastasis recti, a lot of times we have a lot of tightness in our hips, in our glutes, and even in our back. And a lot of times that attributes to poor posture and also hip and back pain. So I'm going to show you a couple of exercises that you can do to release those muscles so that we can get you to feeling better. All right, so I'm already seated on my foam roller here. I'm just going to bring it back just a bit. All right, so first we're going to work on releasing those glutes and your piriformis, okay? So when you're seated here, you're going to take your hands back behind you. You want to engage your core here. We don't just want our core just loose and goosey, all right? But you're going to engage your core and you're just going to lean back, roll here, and come back up. If you feel any particular spot that feels like it needs attention, like it's tight, then you want to just sit there on that spot and hold it for 10 to 20 seconds, and you can. And you should feel the release of the muscles as you're doing it. So let's just roll to one hip here a little bit, and one glute here, and you're just going to roll down. And if you fall off, it's okay. As long as you're okay, then in safe, it's okay. Just know it may happen. It may even happen to me. All right, and you're just rolling here on the side, so your piriformis muscle kind of comes up at an angle and over towards the outer part of your hip is where it connects. So that's why we want to be on the side just a little bit and coming here. Let me show you on the opposite side. Legs straight at the bottom, engage that core, come down, and come back up. You can also get your IT band. Say you have some hip tightness because of IT band. You just want to roll to the side here, and you want to roll down and roll your way up. And the IT band runs all the way down to the knee. Okay, so that's your glutes. Then to get into your low back, you want to be here, and you just want to roll right over that low back. Again, if you have any particular area that needs some attention, you just want to hold it there and pause. Keep that core tight and hold it. I feel it here, back in my quadratus lumborum is the name of the large muscle out to the sides here, kind of a deep muscle. A lot of times that muscle is tight and we don't know it. All right, so I feel mine there. I'm just going to roll, and when I feel it, hold it there. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Hey, girl. All right. And same on the other side. Hello. Hello. All right, just to get through that thoracic spine, which is the middle part of your spine. So you have your cervical, thoracic in the middle, and then your lumbar is your lower spine. All right, so just to get here, you want to put that right across your back, hands here, and you're just going to let that come back. And you're just opening that area up. It's a good stretch and a little bit of a foam roll to that area. And then we're just going to roll right over that part of your back. This feels really good to me. Keep that core engaged. All right. Very good. Now, the last area I'm going to show you is your hip flexors, okay? Again, these are attached to your pelvis, so if they are tight, they tend to put you in a more of a tilt in your pelvis. So we want to try to loosen those up so that you have that good posture that we're trying to aim for, okay? So you're just going to lie here, If you had a C-section, just be mindful of this area. If you're not quite ready for it, that's okay. All right? So you're just going to bring your hip right up below the bony part of your hip here. And you're just going to let that lay there. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. And I'm just gently rolling here. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey. All right. Other side. Same thing. And if you feel a spot, again, you want to hold it there. Oh, no. Hi. Hey, Mama. Hey. You have a new squeal. Hey, Mama. Hey, girl. All right, we're just going to roll back and forth here, right across those hip flexors. Good. All right, and if you feel like you want to do the abdominal area, you can. I know that can be a sensitive area, but that may feel good to you. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. All right, so give those exercises a try on your foam roller. Listen to your body, but try to do those, if you can do those a couple of times a week, just to get that soft tissue more mobile, because we want mobility as well as stability. So we're doing the stability with the exercises and the mobility here with your foam roller.